Dear children, welcome to the session. We discuss the lesson that is synthetic fibers and plastics. In that, let me recap what we discussed in the previous classes. Actually, the fibers are classified into two types. What are the children? Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. The natural fiber is extracted from plants and animals. The synthetic fiber, which is a man-made fiber. From that, the synthetic fibers can be classified. So there are various synthetic fibers are there. That is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So in that the rayon can be prepared through wood pulp. So it is naturally existing. So from that we can extract the cellulose, and that cellulose is applied through the spinning process. So from that we can get the thread filament. So the thread filament can be used for the clothing purpose. So these rayon are semi-synthetic fibers. And next is nylon. The first nylon compound was synthesized in the year 1935. The compound is nylon 6,6. The nylon 6,6 can be prepared through condensation polymerization. The starting materials are hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. And next polymer is polyester. So this polyester is also synthetic fiber. So the polyester compound is also prepared through condensation polymerization. The starting material are ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So these are the two monomers which is used to prepare the polyester compound. The compounds are terylene. We can tell it as terylene or Dacron or PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate. And now we will discuss about the one more synthetic fiber is there, that is acrylic. How it can be prepared and what are the advantages of acrylic. And next we can discuss about the advantage of synthetic fiber and disadvantage of synthetic fiber. First we will discuss about acrylic. Actually, so these acrylic are semi-synthetic fiber. So it is an artificial fiber or man-made fiber. So these acrylic are resembles as wool. Actually, the wool is obtained in natural fiber. Its cost is very much high. So when we use the acrylic, the cost is little bit low when compared with the wool. So through economically we can overcome the acrylic fiber. It is resembles as wool. And next, how the acrylic can be prepared. The preparation of acrylic. The acrylic can be prepared from polyacrylonitrile. It can be prepared from polyacrylonitrile by polymerization reaction. Through polymerization reaction, we can prepare polyacrylonitrile. So these polyacrylonitrile can be prepared through the monomer. So that monomer is acrylonitrile So from that acrylonitrile only we can get the polyacrylonitrile through polymerization reaction. So for that the polymerization process, further the polyacrylonitrile is dissolved in a solvent. So these compounds should be dissolved in a solvent, and after that the filaments are formed through multi-hole spinnerate. So further after that the dissolving a solvent, so these filaments are formed. How the filaments are formed? Through the multi-hole spinnerate, through the spinning process. When we apply through the spinning process, so that filament can be come out like a thread. So these filaments can be used for the clothing purpose. So first we have to prepare through the monomer, that is acrylonitrile. So from that acrylonitrile we can get the polyacrylonitrile compound, and that polyacrylonitrile compound is dissolved in a solvent. So what are the solvents can be used? We can use sodium thiocyanate and DMF, that is dimethyl formamide. We can use the sodium thiocyanate and dimethyl formamide solvent can be used. And further, after the it dissolved in a solvent, it can be doing the process through spinning process will be there. So with that spinning process only the filament it can be come out. So that filament, the thread like filament can be used for the clothing purpose. So these are the preparation of polyacrylonitrile. And next we can see, so what are all the advantages of acrylonitrile, that is polyacrylonitrile compound. The first advantage is it is light, soft and warm. And second is it is cheap when compared to natural cloths. When we compare with the natural cloths, the synthetic fibers are much more cheap and it's durable clothes. So we can wear it for long time. And through the acrylic we can prepare the various such as sweaters, tracksuits, fabrics and carpets can be prepared through the polyacrylonitrile compound. And further, so these acrylic can be look like a glasses, so that the acrylic can be used for lenses also. It can be used for lenses because the weight is very light. The weight is very light. So we can easily hold the lenses. So the acrylic lenses also can be prepared. Why? Because of its look like glasses and its weight is very less. So for that purpose it can be used for the lenses also. So these are all the advantages of acrylic. The first one is light, soft and warm, and it is cheap and durable cloths. And these acrylic can be used for sweaters, tracksuits, fabrics and carpets. And it's look like glasses so that we can use it for lenses also. And its weight is also very less. So the acrylic lenses also can be used. So these are all the advantages of acrylic. Okay students, so see you on next session. Thank you.